SimpliSafe, maker of smart home security systems, announced a new professional installation channel to meet the needs of residential and business customers seeking high-touch, customized security solutions through trusted integrators. By partnering with SimpliSafe, professional installers can now offer clients whole home security solutions, including proactive monitoring and AI-powered deterrence, via SimpliSafe ActiveGuard outdoor protection. Pye-Barker Fire Safety acquired Invision Security, a commercial security and fire alarms company serving Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. Pye-Barker will work alongside Invision's teams in the area to enhance customer offerings that protect lives and livelihoods. Invision Security's skilled technicians will continue to serve customers in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. Security 101 acquired Dorrian Properties, a franchise partner with operations in both Pittsburgh and Philadelphia. This transaction marks Security 101's 18th strategic acquisition, further expanding its footprint in two Northeast markets. As part of the transition, Michael Dorrian, co-founder of Dorrian Properties, will serve as general manager, overseeing Security 101's operation in both markets. I'm Bree Wilson, managing editor for SDM Magazine. Thank you so much for watching, and please visit sdmmag.com for more industry news.